Hello friends, today in this video we will know about resources in our daily life part 2. So before watching this video I recommended you that you should view the first part. That link is here on the description. Okay. So let's start. So non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are never can get exhausted any day. Examples are coal, petroleum, and minerals. Coal and petroleum are under the ground. They are formed by the plants and animals' remains, by heat and pressure. Coal and petroleum also helps in driving vehicles and cooking gasoline. Now, minerals. So minerals are found on the earth. Metal generating minerals are called ores. Metal forms chains, etc. Now, soil. So soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It gives the plants grow on it. It provides us four things: fruits, medicines, wood, oxygen, and etc. Okay, so bye friends.